Hi lovers, in this video we will be discussing about teamwork and how to install the teamwork in your GoHiLover account. So the first step will be finding the app marketplace in the navigation bar from here, and from here you can just type in teamwork. Here it is. Let's install. It's up to you. You want to install it on any of your specific sub account. You can choose multiple sub accounts or you can choose them all. If you want to choose them all, it will be giving you the option to enable automatic feature installation as well. But right now we will be just choosing our specific sub account, that is mobile test. Continue with that, allow and install. While it's being installed, we will be just discussing the next step, that is heading towards the app configuration. Yeah, it's installed. We are in our sub account level now. Find for the app configuration from here and search in for teamwork again to get it configured. Configure. You will need three things here: the API key, the password, and the base URL of your account. You have to set up your teamwork account first, and after that you have to copy paste the API key, the password, and the base URL. Don't forget to just remove the slash in the end of the base URL as well from here. So let me show you how to do that. We are in our team account, and as you can see, I have already settled it, and this is fine for the API key. From here, edit my details, and in the API and the mobile section, if you have not created the API token, this will be not showing to you. As I have already did, I will be just copy pasting it. Paste the API key here, the password of your teamwork account, and the base URL as I have already mentioned. Submit with that. As you can see, it is successfully configured. Let's move forward towards automations to create a workflow and to check on what value is being provided by teamwork. Create a workflow from here. Let's just find for the actions provided by teamwork. Teamwork. Yeah, here it is. As you can see, there are plenty of actions being provided by teamwork, and you can use these actions. The opportunities are endless. Ideas can be endless here. Use all of them and create your own automations. It will be much helpful and make the things simpler and easier. Hope you like it. Thank you so much.